Come along, don't miss a thing. Every road's an adventure waiting. Cowboy Jojo's Adventures, let's go!
Morning. Just having a cup of tea. That tastes good. Well, we're about to head off to Chesterfield Farm. It's about 20 minutes from Melbourne, and it's a great place which gives children an opportunity to experience country life. And they're going to get to pat lots of little animals and oops, sounds like those cows need to be milked. Looks like I'm going to have to get my Cooper on and get ready and see you all at the farm. We'll see you all there. Chesterfield Farm in Scoresby, Melbourne is a working historical children's farm and tourist attraction, specialising in hands-on animal experience for families. Located in the Dandenong Valley Parklands, it features daily animal farm shows, milking, sheepdogs, animal petting, tractor rides and picnic and barbecue facility areas. It operates 7 days a week. It's now 11:30 and we have all decided to turn our hands to cow milking. Milking a cow by hand is labour intensive and challenging at first, often requiring several weeks to build necessary hand and arm endurance, as well as technique. While an experienced person can milk a cow in 15 to 20 minutes, beginners like us are going to take a lot longer. The baby nursery allows children to pat and hold smaller animals like rabbits, guinea pigs and lambs. Paddock animals can be fed by hand with grain bags available for purchase.
Hoggett. His name's Hoggett. That's right, you don't see animals, you can pat them. Here, come in the corner.
We chose to bring our picnic lunches. However, there is a cafe where you can purchase food.
twice now, isn't it?
Bernie. Hi, Bernie.
Hi, Joe. Hi, Joseph.
Hi, Jenny. Alright, let me get you guys there. Yeah, now I can. Yeah. Hey, guys.
A little bit of teamwork. Bring a teamwork, please.
Chesterfield Farm is a historic property dating back to 1859 when Edmund Ashley established Chesterfield Park. Originally a working farm, it transitioned into a tourist and educational farm in 1997.
Hi, Joseph. Can we look at you or we keep walking?